Arctic Wolf customers can assess their security posture against industry standard frameworks using Cyber Resilience Assessment. Accessible through the dashboard widget or the Security Journey menu, this cyber risk mapping helps customers track progress and prioritize mitigation projects based on the greatest potential returns. This example shows the current status of this self-reported assessment for a sample organization with an index of 623 using the NIST 1.1 framework. The main dashboard reflects progress of the relative attainment within each framework group. There is also a timeline view that illustrates collective progress over time. Date range options are available to show a more time-specific snapshot of the assessment and progress. Customers can also create additional assessments based on any of the available security frameworks for various organizational or business needs. Each assessment is a living document. You can drill down using the bar graph to take a closer look at the status within a given group. There are also options to illustrate progress by groups, products, and elements. Viewing the assessment opens a summary that includes the maximum value and available impact of each group, product, or element to inform choices around resource allocation and mitigation efforts. As an example, the Protect Identity Management category has a current value of 81 with an outstanding potential impact of 58. The Details view presents options to update the status of the contributing elements. While the initial responses will define a starting baseline, continued efforts to implement and upgrade the different controls will result in improvements over time. As changes are made, the resulting impact is noted on the screen until the control is saved and updated. The elements can also be viewed by product with the option to note what solutions the organization leverages for each technology. Any changes to the assessment are summarized and downloadable from the main dashboard under History for audit purposes. The Cyber Resilience Assessment is a work in progress as frameworks evolve, technologies are introduced, and controls are implemented. Customers have the option to invite collaborators within their organization, as well as external users from a broker or partner of record. Those collaborators can be granted write access or read-only access. In addition, the current status of any assessment can also be downloaded as a summary PDF to share with internal and external stakeholders. Another feature of the Cyber Resilience Assessment is the insurability rating. Leveraging the self-reported values in the assessment, this rating is based on a curated list of controls that are of particular importance to the insurance industry. The rating and associated PDF are designed to give organizations a sense of how their security posture influences their potential insurability and where prioritized efforts could improve their future standing. Arctic Wolf's Cyber Resilience Assessment provides customers with a tool to continually assess, update, and track their risk level based on standard security frameworks. In addition to prioritizing and strategic planning of mitigations, these ratings provide a way to measure the impact of security investments and unlock insurance benefits. Advance your security journey by starting your first assessment today.